tell you something. Check this out. Check this out. Yo, this guy's a choke artist. You catch a bad one, you better off shooting yourself with Papa Doc's handgun. Climbing up this mountain, you're weak. I leave you lost without a paddle floating Schitt's Creek. You ain't Detroit, I'm the D. You the new kid on the block, about to get smacked back to the boondocks. Fucking Nazi, your squad ain't your type. Take some real advice and form a group with Vanilla Ice. And what I tell you, you better use it. This guy's a hillbilly, this ain't Willie Nelson music. Trailer trash, I choke you to your last breath and have you looking foolish like Cheddar Bob when he shot himself. Silly rabbit, I know why they call you that, cause you follow Future like he got carrots up his ass crack. And when you whack it up, that's when you got jacked up and left stupid like Tina Turner when she got smacked up. I crack your shoulder blade, you'll get dropped so hard that Elvis will start turning in his grave. I don't know why they let you out in the dark. You need to take your white ass back across 8 Mile to the trailer park.
Don't choke this time.
Alright, look. Hey, yo. This guy raps like his parents jerked him. He sounds like Eric Sermon, the generic version. This whole crowd looks suspicious. It's all dudes in here, except for these bitches. So I'm a German, eh? That's okay. You look like a fucking worm with braids. These leaders are the free world rookies. Looky, how can 6 dicks be pussies? Talking about Schitt's Creek. Bitch, you could be a piss creek with paddles. This deep, you're still gonna sink. You're a disgrace. Yeah, they call me Rabbit. This is a turtle race. He can't get with me spitting this shit. Wiggity lickety shots. Cause bitches figgity split lickety. Then I'ma turn around with a great smile and walk my white ass back across 8 miles.
Sick of this motherfucker.
Rip
Check
it,
this shit out.
Rip it, baby, rip it. Yeah.
Yo, I'll spit a racial slur, honky sue me. This shit is a horror flick, but the black guy doesn't die in this movie. Brother with Lotto Dog, you gotta be kidding. That makes me believe you really don't have an interest in living. You think these niggas gonna feel the shit you say? I got a better chance joining the KKK. On some real shit though, I like you. That's why I didn't wanna have to be the one you commit suicide to. Fuck Lotto, call me a leader. I feel bad that I gotta murder that dude from Leave It to Beaver. I used to like that show. Now you got me in fight back mode. But oh well, if you gotta go, then you gotta go. I hate to do this. I would love for this shit to last, so I'll take pictures of my rear end so you won't forget my ass. And all is well that ends okay. So I'll end this shit with a fuck you, but have a nice day.
What up, you got something? Yes, sir. You can't fuck with us, yeah. Let's see what you got. Come on, Rabbit! Come on, Rabbit! Get him! We don't want it. Nah.
Ward, I think you were a little hard on the beaver. So was Eddie Haskell, Wally, and Miss Cleaver. This guy keeps screaming, he's paranoid. Quick, someone get his ass another steroid. Blah, 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 blah. I ain't hear, what did you say? Hibbity hoo blah. Is that a tank top or a new bra? Look, Snoop Dogg has got a fucking boob job. Didn't you listen to the last round, meathead? Pay attention, you're saying the same shit that he said.
Fuck you up.
Matter of fact, dog, here's the pencil. Go home, write some shit, make it suspenseful, and don't come back until something don't hit you. Fuck it, you can take the mic home with you. Looking like a cyclone hit you. Tank top screaming Lotto, I don't fit you. You see how far the white jokes get you? Boys like, how Vanilla Ice gon' dish you? My motto, fuck Lotto. I get the 7 digits from your mother for $1 tomorrow. Everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up and follow me. Everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up. Look, look. Now while he stands tough, notice that this man did not have his hands up. This free world's got you gassed up. Now who Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? 1, 2, 3 into the 4. 1 pop, 2 pop, 3 pop, 4. 4 pop, 3 pop, 2 pop, 1. Your pop, he's pop, no pop, none. This guy ain't no motherfucking MC. I know everything he's about to say against me. I am white, I am a fucking bum. I do live in a trailer with my mom. My boy Future is an Uncle Tom. I do got a dumb friend named Cheddar Bob who shoots himself in his leg with his own gun. I did get jumped by all 6 of you chumps. And we did fuck my girl. I'm still standing here screaming fuck the free world. Don't never try to judge me, dude. You don't know what the fuck I've been through. But I know something about you. You went to Cranbrook, that's a private school. What's the matter, dog? You embarrassed? This guy's a gangster? His real name's Clarence. And Clarence lives at home with both parents. And Clarence's parents have a real good marriage. This guy don't want to battle, he's shook. Cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. He's scared to death, he's scared to look at his fucking yearbook. Fuck Cranbrook. Fuck a beat, I go a cappella. Fuck a Papa Doc, fuck a clock, fuck a trailer, fuck everybody. Fuck y'all if you doubt me. I'm a piece of fucking white trash, I say it proudly. And fuck this battle, I don't want to win, I'm outie. Here, tell these people something they don't know about me.